We're excited to announce some new automated payment plan capabilities available to customers who have configured the Intellibook Stripe integration. Stripe's recurring payment automation will save your team effort by setting and forgetting. The smart retry logic helps to automatically recover from a day in which your customer's available balance is temporarily too low to make their installment. Reduce your customer churn by helping customers spread their payments over time and reduce the shock of final payment leading to a booking being cancelled. Intellibook's integration will automatically cancel a customer's payment in Stripe once the final payment has been made. And our enhanced user interface for creating automated payment plans from the Intellibook backend will allow for multiple frequencies and either fixed or calculated payments. And self-service functionality for the first time means that your customers can create and manage their own payment plans. Your team doesn't need to be involved in setting these up on their behalf. Now let's pop over to Intellibook and take a quick look. So here I am logged into the Intellibook backend as an agent. Let's open a recent booking for Suzanne Willis. There are two people on this booking, and if I pop across to the Transactions tab, I'll see that both individuals have paid their deposit. Suzanne has paid for a $49 add-on as well, but both have an outstanding balance of $3,151. Let's pop back over to the General tab. Now let's imagine that the second person on this booking, Jeanette Davies, has called and asked to set up a fortnightly payment plan. As an agent, I can pop into the Details view and across to the Stripe tab, and I can create a plan from here. In this case, Jeanette's indicated she wants to pay fortnightly, so let's change the cadence to fortnightly. And instead of spreading it out evenly, let's imagine that she wants to pay a fixed amount of exactly $400 every fortnight. As I've changed that, you'll see that it's automatically given me a preview to show that there will be 7 payments and then a final payment on the 31st of January of $351. Let's go ahead and submit that now. And that's all we need to do. There's now a Stripe subscription which will take care of taking a fortnightly payment of $400 from the 25th of October through to the 17th of Jan, and then a final payment will be processed on the 31st of January. And if I close this dialog, you'll see behind that I now have a little icon that shows me that there is a payment plan in place for Jeanette Davies. Clicking this icon at any time allows me to quickly jump to the details of the plan and cancel or replace the plan. We've also now introduced the ability for customers to set up and manage their own payment plans without needing to involve your team. Let's see how that works. In the settings menu, if I pop into payment settings and then put that into edit mode, I can tick this checkbox which enables self-service installments. I can also allow customers to view and download a copy of the Stripe invoice. The next section allows us to set some predefined payment levels, different frequencies, different amounts if we choose to. In addition to these, the customer can also do a monthly even payment if they wish. The next section allows us to set some predefined payment amounts and frequencies for the customer to choose from. In addition to these, they'll also have the ability to spread their payments evenly between now and the final payment date. For customers who have multiple attendees on the same booking, we also have a verification system that sends a code via email, or if you configure this bottom section, can also send them an SMS using a Twilio account. We'll skip that for now and let's save these settings. Let's pop back to the booking for Suzanne Willis and pop open the customer portal. In this case, let's imagine that I'm Suzanne and I want to set up a new payment plan for myself. First, I need to perform a verification step. Again, this is via email by default, but it can also be via SMS if you set up that Twilio integration. After confirming that the email address is correct, the user is able to click Send Verification Code. That will send an email to the email recipient, and they can take that email and they have a certain amount of time in order to paste in that verification code or type it in. Now that I'm verified, I can see the balance that I have outstanding, and I can also see the different options that were provided to be able to set up a new payment plan. Clicking any of these options will quickly show me a preview of the payments, including the final payment that's outstanding. It also allows me the option to evenly spread the payments between now and the final payment date by a monthly installment. Finally, I just need to click Proceed and that payment plan will be set up for me. We hope you found this video useful. As always, we welcome your feedback and any questions you might have.